Yeah, thank you for the recording. Yeah. So sorry for a bit late in about 4 minutes. Okay, I've just finished this afternoon class. Yeah, the early class. Okay, so finally I can join this class. Yeah, are you complete? There are 31 participants, yeah, including me. So there must be 29. Yeah. So while waiting for the others, let's prepare the materials. Silakan disiapkan materinya. Okay, prepare your answers as well. All right, and then let's enjoy the discussions. Yeah. Today, our agenda, we are going to talk about listening, skills 7 and 8, and continue with the structure, skill 9 up to 12. Yeah. Later, there might be some students, yeah, some groups that will present, that will share their understanding about the structure skills. Okay. Yeah. So let us begin. Let me share my screen with you. Yeah, there's a bit problem about the sharing. Wait a minute, yeah. Okay, so let me share the screen. Yeah, so this is the uh, skills. Okay, wait a minute. Let us begin with the listening discussion. Yeah, for today, everyone will join the class via Zoom, yeah. And let me think about the next class. Should be via Zoom or on site, ya. Nanti coba saya pertimbangkan lagi for the next class. Yeah, previously we have discussed skill 4 to 6, yeah. It's about details about pronouns, it's about synonym skill 2 ya. Okay, it's about multiple nouns, it's about details. And in these sections, yeah, it's about negatives. Yeah, it will be divided into two parts. Yeah, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. Okay, so we will see one by one. We will see from skill 7 and 8 today. Okay, so let us see what is negative means. Okay. Yeah, negative expressions. Yeah, negative expressions. It is common in the short dialogue, or we can say this is in part A. Yeah, short dialogue. Okay, and the most common kind of the correct response to negative statement is the positive statement. Okay, remember, yeah. So this is the keyword. The most common kind of correct response to a negative statement is a positive statement containing a word with opposite meaning. Ya, apa yang dimaksud dengan kata kalimat ini, teman-teman? Ya, oke, nanti kita lihat. Ya, so let's see this one. This is the example. Yeah, so a man says, "How did they go to their grandmother's house?" Yeah, in only 5 hours. Okay, they didn't drive slowly on the trip to Maine. Yeah, again, focus on the second line. They didn't drive slowly on the trip to Maine. Yeah, so this is the negative statement. Yeah, this is negative statement. According to the explanation, yeah, the answer is positive statement, yeah, containing a word with opposite meaning. Nah, jawabannya itu adalah yang kalimat positif tapi maknanya berlawanan. Oke, kalau kita lihat di sini, they didn't drive slowly to the trip to Maine. Nah, berarti kita hanya perlu mencari jawaban yang mengandung arti positif, ya, mengandung positif dan maknanya berlawanan. Oke, kalau kita ubah jadi positif dan berlawanan, jadinya seperti apa? Ya, mereka berkendara dengan cepat. Begitu. Didn't kita ubah jadi positif, mereka berkendara, slowly kita ubah jadi cepat. Oke, kita lihat pilihannya. A, they drove rather quickly. Oke, ya ini sudah di garis bawah ya, so this is the answer. Oke, quickly, fast. Ya. Nah, sentence B, option B, they couldn't have driven. Oke, ya, this is negative. Ya, they wanted to travel slowly to Maine. Ya, this is not negative, but it still contain the same keyword, not the opposite, bukan lawannya. And D, they didn't drive to Maine. Yeah, negative. So the possible answer for this question is A. Yeah, what does the woman say about the trip? They drove rather quickly. Yeah, so that's the answers. Yeah, how to deal with negative? Okay, again, so this is not finding information. Ya, kita tidak diminta untuk mencari informasi yang kita dengar, but kita diminta untuk mencari tahu maksud dari informasi tersebut. Ya, so maksudnya di sini adalah arti yang berlawanan. Oke. Ya, this is the type of negative expression. Ya. So regular negative, so they will use not or an, isn't, doesn't, are not, don't. For example, Tom is not sad about the result. Oke. Kalau kita lihat kalimat ini, Tom is not sad about the result. yang bisa kita simpulkan adalah dia senang ya dengan hasilnya. Oke. Misalkan ini second line. This is the second line of the listening. Ya, kita diminta untuk memaknai kalimat ini dalam bentuk positif. Tom is not sad. It means that he is happy about the result. Okay. So this is another thing. Other negatives. Ya, ini contoh negatif yang lain. Nobody, none, nothing, never. Oke, kita lihat contohnya. Nobody arrived on time. Ya. Nobody arrived on time. Okay. So what does this sentence mean? Okay. Nobody arrived on time. Tidak ada yang datang tepat waktu. Berarti dengan kata lain kita buat positif adalah everybody comes late. Nah. Oke. Ya, nobody arrived on time. Okay. Second example. Okay, Sal never works hard. Ya. Sal never works hard. Ya, means that lazy. Ya. Oke, dia tidak pernah bekerja keras, berarti makna positifnya adalah dia malas. Begitu. So this is the negative expression ya. Kata-kata yang menunjukkan negatif ya. Nobody, never, ya. None, nothing, for example. Oke. Ya. This is another example, negatives with prefix. Ya, jadi expression negatif dengan imbuhan awalan. So this is the example un, in, and this. Ya, uncomfortable, ya, ineffective, ya, dislike, ya. Oke. The patient was insane. Ya. Oke, ini dapat imbuhan in. Ya, insane itu adalah tidak normal. Ya, the patient was insane. Insane means not sane or crazy. Nah, oke. Insane, ya, sane means normal, sane. Ya, dapat imbuhan in, maknanya jadi negatif, teman-teman. Insane, tidak normal. So, crazy, for example. Ya, oke. So, this is how can we understand the sentence in other meaning. Ya, ini perlu memerlukan kemampuan kita untuk memahami kalimat dengan makna yang lain. Oke, maksudnya dengan bentuk lain tapi maknanya sama. Ya. Oke, bentuk lainnya adalah kalimat positif. Because second line contains negatif. Kalimat second line-nya mengandung negatif, kita diminta mencari jawaban yang mengandung makna positif. Oke, tapi maknanya sama. Begitu. Oke, so let's practice. Yuk kita latihan, teman-teman. TOEFL exercise 7. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, let us see one by one. Okay, let's listen ya. So maybe we can listen for the first 5 numbers. Yuk kita mendengarkan 5 nomor pertama saja. Oke, takutnya nanti waktu tidak cukup untuk sesi structure-nya. Oke, later you can re-listen at home, ya Tony bisa mendengarkan kembali di rumah, and also to check your answers, ya. Oke. Alright. So let me play number 1.
TOEFL Exercise 7. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the tape, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of negative expressions. Number 1.
Are you going to take out the trash?
I have no time to do it.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, so what does the woman say? Si perempuannya bilang apa, teman-teman? I have no time to do it. Ya. Okay, so what's the answers? Apa jawabannya?
A.
Okay, I have no time to do it. That's negative, ya. Have no time to do it. It means that she has or she is very busy. Ya, oke. Dia sangat sibuk. Begitu. Alright. Okay, next number 2.
Number 2.
Are you worried about the interview?
It's unimportant to me.
What does the man mean?
Okay. What does the man say? It is important to me. Yeah. Okay. All right. So what will be the other meaning of this sentence? Kira-kira jawabannya apa, teman-teman? Number 2.
D.
D. Yeah, he is not concerned about the interview. Yeah, he said that the interview is unimportant. Okay. Yeah. If A, the interview is very important, no. Okay, he's worried about the interview. No, tidak. Okay. And C, what he's wearing on the interview is important. No. Okay, they don't talk about the interview. Yeah. He's not concerned about the interview. Oke, dia tidak memperdulikan interview itu karena dia menganggap tidak penting. Oke, next number 3.
Number 3.
Do you have all the notes for Psychology 101?
I didn't miss a single lecture.
What does the man mean?
Okay, so the man says, I didn't miss any single lessons. So, artinya adalah
B.
B. Okay, his attendance was perfect. Yeah, so his attendance was perfect. So he didn't miss any single lesson. Dia tidak pernah bolos. Okay, so attendance-nya perfect. Okay, that's good. Number 4.
Number 4.
Do you know the library's summer hours? I need to go there this evening.
It's never open past 6 o'clock in the summer.
What does the man mean?
Okay, so the man says, yeah, it never opens past 6 in the summer. Okay, so number 4. Okay, what is C? The library closes at 6. Ya, tadi kan dia bilang never opens. Ya, past in the summer. Okay, so it means that close at 6. Ya, good. Ya, Next, number 5.
Number 5.
How often should I water the plants while you're gone?
No more than once a week.
What should the woman do?
Okay, the man says no more than once a week. So, it means that tidak lebih dari seminggu sekali. So, it means
D, sir.
okay. Let's see ya. Okay, one option is D. Water the plants once a day. Yeah. Okay, no, right. A, no ya. B, have the plants no more water. No. Okay, water the plants often while the man is going. Tidak disebutkan tadi. D, give the plants a limited amount of water. Okay. Ya. So, tadi dia bilang no more than once a week. Ya. Oke. Jadi nggak boleh banyak-banyak memang, gitu kan. So, it means that give the plant a limited amount of water. Gitu. Nggak boleh banyak-banyak. Yang cukup terbatas saja. Okay, so that's the listening of negatives ya. So that's the first negative ya. Nanti masih ada negatif-negatif yang lain teman-teman. So that's the first skills of negative. Okay, so we need to find the other meaning. Ya, kita diminta untuk mencari makna yang lain. Okay. And remember, ya, always remember, so the answers will never contain the keywords of the second line. That's the point. Jadi jawaban yang benar itu tidak pernah mengandung keyword dari second line. Ini untuk part A ya. Oke, kalau ada keywordnya dari second line yang ditulis di jawaban, nah itu pasti salah. Karena kita memang diminta untuk mencari makna atau kalimat yang lain tapi maknanya sama. Oke. Good. So let's move on. Kita lanjut. Skill 8 ya. Listen for double negative expressions. Wow. Okay. So the previous one is single negatives ya, and this one is double negatives. Seperti apa double negatives? Okay. So it is possible two negatives ideas to appear in the sentence. Ya. The result can be quite confusing. Contohnya, I can't believe the news that I heard about the concert. Yeah, the news about the concert. And then the women say, well, it is not impossible for the concert to take place. Okay, so please read carefully. Yeah, it is not impossible. Okay, this is double negative. Ada pertama ada is not, the second one impossible. Nah, oke. Jadi artinya seperti apa? Is not impossible, tidak mungkin, ya, tidak mungkin. Jadinya mungkin, begitu kan? Nah, karena tidak mungkin berarti the meaning is positive. Kalau saya contohnya, oke, di options, option A, there's no possibility that the concert will take place. Ya, oke. There is no possibility. Ya, itu mungkin benar kalau nggak ada im. It is not possible. Ya, that's true. But this is impossible. B, the concert will definitely not take place. Ya, this is still negative ya. The concert might take place. Yes. So this is the answer. Konsernya akan tetap berjalan. Oke, yang D, the concert can't take place. Ya, A, B, and D are the same. Meaning, maknanya sama. The only answer is C. Ya, it states that this is positive. Ya, negative and negative it becomes positive. Ya, tidak mungkin berarti mungkin, gitu kan? Okay, let's see the answers. Yeah, the correct answer is C. Yeah, if it is not impossible for the concert to take place, then it is possible. And the model might indicates possibility. Nah, di sini modal may atau might di sini menunjukkan possibility, kemungkinannya tadi. Oke, pada intinya konsernya akan tetap atau bisa dilaksanakan, ya bukan berarti tidak, gitu. And this is the explanation about double negative. Oke, let us study the situation ya, kita belajar situasinya. Oke, negative word like for example not or no or none, and a negative prefix in, an, or this, for example. Sentence. He didn't like the unclean office. Oke, kita pahami bersama. He didn't like the unclean office. Dia tidak suka kantor yang kotor. Atau dia tidak suka kantor yang tidak bersih. Oke, berarti maksudnya adalah dia suka kantor yang bersih, begitu kan teman-teman? Nah, this is double negative. Didn't like and unclean. Nah, dia tidak suka kantor yang tidak bersih. Gitu. Ya, saya tidak menyebut kotor, tidak bersih gitu saja. Biar negatifnya double. Oke, the other meaning is that he liked the clean office. Ya. Second example, two negative verbs. Nah, ini negative verbs. Oke. It is not snowing. Tidak bersalju. So, they are not going to the mountain. It is not snowing. Tidak bersalju. Jadi, mereka tidak akan pergi ke gunung. Gitu. Ya. Nah, berarti kan makna lainnya adalah they would go if it were snowing. Oke. Sama kayak misalkan kayak gini. Saya tidak akan pergi ke Ambarukmo Plaza kalau cuacanya tidak cerah, begitu kan? Ya, saya nggak mau pergi kalau cuacanya nggak cerah. Nah, kalau cuacanya cerah, maka saya pergi. Nah, that's the same meaning. Ya, this is the same. Ya, kalau tidak bersalju, saya tidak akan mendaki. Nah, berarti saya akan mendaki kalau cuacanya bersalju, begitu. Ya, two negative verbs. Okay. Next, this is neither or not, either. Okay. Neither or not or either. Yeah. This is something tricky, agak sedikit tricky. Be careful. Example, Sue didn't like the movie. Sue didn't like the movie, and neither did Mark. Okay, Sue didn't like the movie and neither did Mark. Okay, artinya adalah Sue tidak suka filmnya, Sue tidak suka movie-nya, sama halnya dengan Mark. Oke, ya, berarti maksudnya adalah mereka berdua tidak suka film itu. Ya, oke, Sue didn't like the movie. Ya, Sue didn't like the movie. And neither did Mark. Oke, sama halnya dengan Mark. Berarti kita bisa simpulkan bahwa mereka berdua tidak suka film itu. Begitu, teman-teman. Oke, so let's go to the exercise. Ya, let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, there's a noise. Wait a minute. Okay, so let me play the audio. So this is exercise 8.
TOEFL
So
Exercise
focus
8.
1 to 5.
In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the tape, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should be particularly careful of double negatives. Number 1.
Do you think Ron Rogers will be elected?
Well, it's not completely impossible.
What does the woman imply about Ron?
Okay, yeah. So the woman say it is not completely impossible. So it means artinya apa teman-teman? Okay, listen again. Coba dengarkan lagi.
Number 1.
Do you think Ron Rogers will be elected?
Well, it's not completely impossible.
What does the woman imply about Ron?
Ya, it is not completely impossible. Ya, it is not completely impossible. Artinya adalah sangat mungkin sekali. Gitu kan? Nah, yang mana teman-teman jawabannya yang mengandung makna sangat mungkin sekali? Oke. A. A. Okay, let's see one by one ya. Okay, A, he will definitely be elected. Yeah, it's possible. Okay. B, the election is now complete. Oke, apakah not complete yet ya, hasn't done ya, belum terjadi. C, she has high hopes for his chance. Oke, dia punya harapan yang tinggi terhadap peluangnya. No. Oke. D, it may happen. Oke, it may happen. Alright. So from this one, we know that okay, it is not completely impossible. Oke, ya. Nah, kalau tadi itu yang dimaksud adalah election-nya, ya. Oke, yang dimaksud adalah election-nya. It is not completely impossible, ya. The participation of the man, ya, in the elections. Oke, so there might be two possible answers. Ada dua jawaban yang kira-kira mungkin, teman-teman, di sini. The first one is A. He will definitely be elected. Ya, kalau ini sudah sangat yakin sekali, ya, sudah sangat yakin kalau dia akan terpilih. Nah, tapi tadi kan itu masih possibility. Ya, teman-teman dengar kata impossible. Ya, it is not completely impossible. Ya, di sana masih ada unsur kemungkinan, possibility. Ya, nah kalau dari example tadi, example yang sebelumnya teman-teman di sini, nah jadi dijelaskan bahwa possibility, ya, oke. Lalu ada kata modal may. Nah, yuk kita terapkan juga mungkin bisa di sini. Nah, jadi jawabannya adalah yang D. Karena mungkin saja it may happen. Ya, bukan berarti sudah pasti terpilih. It may happen. Karena yang ditekankan adalah kemungkinannya tadi. Ya, kemungkinannya yang ditekankan. Ya, bukan si laki-lakinya dalam pemilihan itu. Right. Okay, so the answer is D. Ya, it may happen. Ya, it-nya di situ adalah bahwa dia akan terpilih. Nah, itu mungkin terjadi. Oke. Ya, hampir mirip dua-duanya, tapi yang di ini lebih mengandung pada kemungkinan, di mana kemungkinan tadi itu disebutkan di second line. Oke, it's not completely impossible. Next, number 2, go on.
Number 2.
How was your tennis match today?
I didn't serve well, and I didn't volley well either.
What does the man say about his tennis game?
Okay, so how about the tennis game? He didn't serve well and he didn't play well. Okay, so
A, sir.
A. Okay, A. So what is A? Both parts of his game were bad. Ya, tadi disebutkan ya. Oke, didn't serve well and didn't play well. Oke. Kalau yang B kan he served better, tidak. Oke. Some part of his game were better. No, karena dia bilang dua-duanya tidak baik. Kan yang D he played rather well. Oke, tidak. Karena tadi dia bilang tidak juga. Berarti dua-duanya tidak baik. Both. Oke, good. 2A. Number 3, continue.
Number 3.
Was Gary prepared for the debate?
It's no surprise that he was unprepared.
What does the woman say about Gary?
Okay, so the women say it is unsurprised if he didn't prepare. Nah, so what's the meaning? Artinya apa? B. It is unsurprised if he didn't prepare. Oke. Kalau yang di sini kita lihat yuk. It is surprised that he was prepared. Oke, ini kan mengandung kata yang sama ya. Oke, jadi sepertinya bukan. Oke, bisa teman-teman notice kok kalau di optionnya itu mengandung keyword-keyword yang sama itu pasti bukan jawabannya. Oke, and then the other is he was not ready as usual. Ya, so this is the answer ya. He was not ready as usual. Karena sudah biasa, nggak heran kalau dia itu nggak siap. Ya, right. Ya. Yeah. And then see this one, he prepared really big surprise. No, not surprise. His strong preparation came as no surprise. No. Yeah, the only answer is B. Yeah. Okay, good. Number 4.
Number 4.
Did you go out dancing with everyone else last night?
I was not feeling well, so I didn't go out.
Okay, I was not feeling well, so I didn't go out. Nah, saya merasa tidak enak, jadi saya tidak pergi. Oke, maksudnya apa itu kalau diubah jadi positif, teman-teman? Mhm.
D, sir.
What is
D.
the answer? D. She stayed home because she was sick. Ya, oke. She's feeling unwell, merasa tidak enak. Berarti dia sakit, betul. So she didn't go. Artinya dia tetap stay. Nah, oke. So the answer is D ya. She stayed home because she was sick. Good. The last, number 5.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Do you think Paula understands what she's done?
She isn't unaware of the trouble she's caused.
What does the man say about Paula?
Oke. She is unaware of the trouble. Ya. Oke. So what does the other meaning? Maksudnya yang lain apa? Kalimat lainnya. Number 5. Oke, so let's listen again. Yuk coba kita putar lagi.
Stands what she's done?
Number 5.
Number 5.
Do you think Paula understands what she's done?
She isn't unaware of the trouble she's caused.
What does the man say about
Yeah,
Paula?
she is unaware about the trouble that she has caused. Artinya adalah dia tidak menyadari tentang masalah yang dia buat. So, A, she has problem that others are not aware of it. No, bukan dia. Bukan orang lain ya, tapi dia. Oke. Others are not aware of her problem. Bukan others, tapi lebih ke dia. Ke C ya. Jadi option A and option B eliminated. Option C, she knows she's been a problem. Okay. Yeah. And then D, she doesn't have care in their wood. Oh, no, yeah. The answer is C. Okay. She knows she's been a problem. Okay. Yeah. So that's the answer for listening practice skill 8. Okay. Later I'm going to post in our WA group so the rest of the answers 6 to 10. So you can re-listen, you can check again the answers, are they correct or not. Semua teman-teman bisa melihat kembali teorinya tadi, bagaimana mencari jawaban yang mengandung negatif. Ya. One negative expression and double negative expression. Okay. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan before we go to the structure? This is for next meeting ya, on Friday. Almost negatives. Any questions? Okay, if there is no question, let's move on to structure. Okay, so in this section there will be 4 groups ya, ada 4 ya. We start from 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Okay,